Frances Haugen is a former Facebook employee. Last year, she revealed how the company was failing to tackle disinformation, hate speech, and mental health issues. She told MEPs new legislation to rein in big tech needs to be robust.
The law has to be strong and its enforcement firm. Otherwise, we will lose this once-in-a-generation opportunity to align the future of technology and democracy. The Digital Services Act that is now before this Parliament has the potential to be a global gold standard.
This gold standard will include tough new rules to ensure a safer online environment, measures to counter illegal or malicious content, products and services, as well as strict controls on the algorithms that suggest content based on users' behavior.
We are fighting for those who uses the platforms. We're trying to take back control. We need to really see real improvements in the protection of consumers and citizens online. And we need to make sure that we still protect the fundamental rights, for instance, the right to speak freely.
At the same time, the Digital Markets Act will tackle unfair business practices. It will help startups and smaller companies grow alongside established giants, the so-called gatekeepers of the internet.
Smaller businesses will get a much easier access to the market to reach out to the consumer. You as a consumer will also be in a better position because you see all the variety of the market and you catch what you want, and that's excellent.
The rules will cover core platforms like social networks, search engines, video sharing services, and cloud computing. They include new limits on targeted advertising and give consumers the option to remove pre-installed software. The proposed new frameworks provided by the Digital Services Act and Digital Markets Act will also include protections for whistleblowers, as Europe looks to defend democratic values and fair competition and promote a safer online world.